All right, so I am in my 2021 Dodge Ram 2500. This should be for most Chrysler models, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler. My oil light is a notification comes up when I start. So to reset this, you have to you don't start the vehicle, but you do. It's going to be 2 starts, or on your key, it's 2 clicks. So there's 1, there's 2, and now I have to depress the gas 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then turn this to the off position. And then when you start it, the message should be cleared out here. So no stored messages. And if it were going to come up, it would be up right now. So that is cleared out the message. You go back, there's nothing there. So that's how you clear out the oil notification or the change oil light on any Ram, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, not just Ram, Dodge model. That's how you do it.